After years of using our UltraTable for pretty much everything, we finally decided it was time to make something just a little bit bigger. Introducing the MegaTable. The MegaTable combines all the same design DNA as our original UltraTable in just a bigger package to accommodate whatever you might need that's bigger. So some of the use cases we found where we wanted more space were if you're on a long weekend camp trip and you're not moving around from day to day, with the original UltraTable, when you put your stove out, you're basically out of room. So anything else you may want to do throughout the day, whether that's make a cup of coffee, make a sandwich, you've got to remove your stove to then utilize the table again. What's cool about the MegaTable is you can leave your stove up there and still have room to do other things throughout the day. MegaTable has food grade stainless top surface and an aluminum backplate. If you already own an UltraTable and you want to try the MegaTable, the good news is you're not going to have to buy another mounting bracket. You can just get the MegaTable and bolt it onto your existing bracket. MegaTable is also flat mount, so if there's anything else, the back of a van door, something you want to place the table on, it's a really good candidate for that. So whether you need something big or you want to use something small, we've got something for all. Thanks for rambling with us.